How to use MySQLdb with Python and Django in OSX 10.6. This is a much discussed issue for OSX 10.6 users, but I haven't been able to find a solution that works. Here's my setup. Python 2.6.164-bit. Django 1.2.1. MySQL the 5th of January 47 OSX 10.6 64-bit. I create a virtualenvwrapper with no site packages, then install Django. When I activate the virtualenv and run python manage.pysyncdb, I get this error. I've also installed the MySQL for Python adapter, but to no avail, or maybe I installed it improperly? Anyone dealt with this before?
I had the same error and pip install MySQL Python solved it for me. Alternate installs. If you don't have pip, easy_install MySQL Python should work. If your Python is managed by a packaging system, you might have to use that system, e.g. sudo apt-get install ... Below, solely notes that if you receive the following error: environment error, MySQL config not found, then you have a further system dependency issue. Solving this will vary from system to system, but for Debian-derived systems, sudo apt-get install Python and MySQLdb.
Running Ubuntu, I had to do.
Adding to other answers, the following helped me finish the installation MySQL Python. Virtualenv, MySQL Python, pip, anyone know how? On Ubuntu. Don't forget to add sudo to the beginning of commands if you don't have the proper permissions.
MySQL_config must be on the path. On Mac, do.
Iemand schot snel, tegen zijn lijn en de klem.